Welcome children. In this video we can discuss all multiple choice questions from the chapter 6 lines and angles. The first question is two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O such that angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 280 degree. Then angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to, we can look at that figure, angle BOC here, this is angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal, these two angles sum is equal to 280 is it is given, and the other two angles AOC, this is the angle AOC and BOD, these two angles sum only we have to find. So we can write here these all angles. Look here, this is a circle, complete angle we are getting. So sum of these all angles is equal to 360 degree, that is given angle BOC plus angle AOD plus these other two angles AOC plus angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to 360 degree, complete angle. Then here it is, this much it is given, angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 280 degree it is given, plus these two angles sum only we need to find, so that we can write it like this way itself, AOC plus angle BOD is equal to 360 degree, that is angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to 360 already there. We know we have to take this 280 degree, transpose 280 degree towards left, then we are getting 80 degree, and the answer is sum of these two angles is equal to 80 degree. This is the answer. Option B is the answer. Second question, in the given figure the value of x is, look at that figure. In all types of questions, then that means geometry, that problems, that figure is very important. So observe that figure properly. If we are observing it properly, we will get that answer from the figure itself. Now you look at this figure, these all measurements which is given, that everything it is written in the figure and given to you, and just observe these 3x, 2x and 4x. We can see these are the three angles on the straight line itself. So this is a straight angle, or these three angles sum should be equal to 180 degree. So we can write that 3x plus 2x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Then add this 3x plus 2x 5x plus 4x 9x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Then we can find that value of, we have got that value of x is equal to 20 degree. Our answer is C. Third question is, two adjacent angles on a straight line in the ratio 6:3. The measure of the greater angle is, here I have drawn that two angles on a straight line. These are two adjacent angles on a straight line. Here that picture is not given, so if it is needed we have to draw that one, and it is very easily we understood that sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Here the ratio only given, so we can add this 6x plus 3x are the, let it be 6x and 3x are the two angles, measure of two angles, then sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree, angles on a straight line. So 9x is equal to 180 degree, then x is equal to 180 by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Then measure of the greater angle it is asked. So 6x is the greater angle we know. So 6 among these 6x and 3x, 6x is the greater angle, 6 into 20 degree. 6x equal to 6 into 20 degree equal to 120 degree. So our answer is option C, 120 degree. Fourth question, in the given figure AOB is a straight line. The measure of angle COD is equal to, the figure is given, AOB is a straight line, then these three angles are on the straight line itself, we understood, so that we have to find COD. This is the angle COD. So we can find that sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree, because these three angles on the straight line. So we are adding this x plus 20 plus 2x minus 20 plus 60 degree. x plus 20 plus 2x minus 20 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then that is equal to, add these x terms, x plus 2x is 3x, and this 20 minus 20 we can cancel, then 60 degree only we are getting is equal to 180 degree. 20 and minus 20 becomes 0. Then 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. This transposing 60 degree towards right side, it becomes minus, and that is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 degree by 3 is equal to 40 degree. And angle COD, it is asked angle COD. Look here, angle COD is 2x minus 20. 2x minus 20 it is. And we know x equal to 40 degree. So 2 into 40 degree minus 20 degree. And 2 into 40 is 80 degree. 2 into 40 degree, 80 degree minus 20 degree. That is equal to 60 degree. So we have got that answer 60 degree. Question number 5. In the figure, A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 5. If AOB is a straight line, then the value of A, B and C is. Look at that figure. AOB is a straight line and A, B and C are the three angles on the straight line. So from here we understood sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. But here the ratio also given. A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 5. So we have to find A is equal to 4x and B is equal to 3x, C is equal to 5x. From the ratio only we have taken this A, B, C. 4 is to 3 is to 5. 4x, 3x and 5x. And from the figure we can see A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. That is, instead of A we can write 4x plus instead of B 3x, and C also we can substitute 5x is equal to 180 degree. Then add these all x's. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12x. 12x's are there. 12x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 by 12 is equal to 15 degree. So, we are getting x is equal to 16 degree. Here it is asked the value of A, B and C. So, we can find A is equal to 4x. We already know 4 into x 15. So 4 into 15 is equal to 60 degree. And B is equal to 3x. 3 into 15 is equal to 45 degree. And C is equal to 5x. That is 5 into 15 is equal to 75 degree. So the three angles are 60 degree, 45 degree and 75 degree. That option D it is. 60 degree, 45 degree and 75 degree. Question number 6. Lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. If angle AOC is to angle BOC equal to 2 is to 7, then angle BOD equals, look at this figure, AB and CD are the two lines intersect at O. Angle AOC, here is the angle AOC, this is angle AOC, and angle BOC, this is the angle BOC. Then this ratio is given 2 is to 7. So we can take angle AOC is equal to 2x and angle BOC is equal to 7x. And here from the figure we could understood these two angles are on a straight line. So it is a straight angle. That is angle AOC. That is 2x only we know. 2x plus angle BOC is 7x is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x plus 7x is 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Then here it is asked to find the angle BOD, measure of angle BOD. This angle only it is asked. This angle is opposite to angle AOC. We know angle AOC is 2x. So angle AOC is equal to 2x, that is equal to angle BOD, that is equal to 2 into 2x, 2 into 20 degree is equal to 40 degree. So we are getting angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, that is the vertically opposite angle of AOC. Supplementary angles differ by 28 degree. The angles are, here the difference of these two angles should be 28 degree. Then look here, from these options itself we can find the answer. That will be easy and we can save time. The first one itself, 104 degree minus 76 itself, we are getting that 28 degree. So we can choose that first option itself. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, the value of x is equal to, observe the figure here, AB, this is AB and this is CD. AB and CD are parallel, the value of x we have to find. If these two lines are parallel and this line, we can give that name L. This L is a transversal to these two lines. So these angles, these two angles, we can see these are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So we can add these two angles. We are getting the sum 180 degree. Then x plus x is 2x here. 2x plus 45 plus 15 is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 degree divided by 2 is equal to 60 degree. So, we are getting that answer A, option A, 60 degree. Number 9, in the given figure, the measure of x degree is. So, here you can see this is a triangle, ABC is a triangle and x degree is one of the interior angle of this triangle. And for finding x degree, we have to find this angle B. That angle B is equal to, here you can see this is a linear pair. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Then we can write that 60 degree angle here. Then we can add this 60 degree plus 55 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. We are using angle sum property of a triangle. And this 60 plus 55 is equal to 115 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Then therefore x degree is equal to 180 minus 115 is equal to 65 degree. So our answer is 65 degree option. In the figure, QO and RO are the bisectors of Q and R respectively. If angle QPR is equal to 75 degree and angle PQR is equal to 56 degree, the measure of angle ORQ is. We have to observe that question well. Then this is a triangle and PQR is a triangle. QOR is another triangle and here it is given angle QPR is equal to 75 degree, angle PQR is equal to 56 degree, angle PQR is equal to 56 degree. This is given here. And we have to find the measure of angle ORQ. ORQ. This angle measure only we have to find, this much only. So that we can do that. Here this PQR is a triangle, you know, and angle P is given, angle Q is given, then we can find angle R very easily. That is by using angle sum property of a triangle. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. Then angle P is given 75 degree, angle Q is given 56 degree, then angle R we don't know. Right, like this R itself, right angle R itself there, that is equal to 180 degree. Then add this 75 and 56. We are getting 131 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Then angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 131 degree. That is equal to 49 degree. Angle R is equal to 49 degree. We need that half of that angle only. And here it is given bisect only this OR. So we can find the half of that only. It is asked to find that ORQ. Here ORQ is the half of angle R. Angle ORQ is equal to half of angle R. That is equal to half of 49 degree. That is 49 degree divided by 2. That is equal to 24 and half degree. This is the answer. 24 and half, option C. Angle BDE is, and observe this figure, ABC and BDE are the two triangles here. So we have to find this angle BDE. This is the angle BDE. For finding this angle, we know these are two triangles. So it is easy to find this angle B. This angle B in both cases equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can find this angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree plus 35 degree. Here 80 degree plus 35 degree, we are applying that angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property we are applying here. That is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 35 is 115 degree. So this is equal to 65 degree. Angle B is equal to 65 degree. We can write it here 65 degree and here also 65 degree. Then we can find the angle, the required angle BDE. Angle BDE is equal to, similarly angle sum property we can use 180 degree minus, add this 70 and 65 degree. 70 degree plus 65 degree. That is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 65 we know, that is 135 degree. That is equal to 180 minus 135 degree is 45 degree. And this is the answer. 45 degree, option C, 45 degree. In the given figure, angle ABD is equal to 106 degree and angle ACF equal to 118 degree. Then value of angle A is, here that figure is given, triangle ABC, and these two exterior angles are given. And here we have to find the value of A. So first we can find the interior angle of this triangle, and that is 180 minus 106 degree, that is equal to 74 degree. Then we can write that 74 degree here, and here also we can find that linear pair it is. So 180 minus 118, that is equal to 62 degree, and we can write that 62 degree here. Then we can use that angle sum property of a triangle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then give that value of angle A, we don't know, we can write it like that way itself. Angle B 74 degree plus angle C 62 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 74 degree plus 62 degree is equal to 136 degree. That is equal to 44 degree. So we are getting that answer, option A, 44 degree. Question number 13. In the given figure, P parallel to Q and R is a transversal. The value of X and Y respectively are, look at this figure, we can see X and Y are linear pairs. And also here these two lines are parallel and R is the transversal. Here these X and 30 degree are corresponding angles. We know that if two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the corresponding angles are equal. So definitely we will get X equal to 30 degree. And we have to find the value of y. We know x plus y is equal to 180 degree because these are linear pairs. X and y are linear pairs. So y is equal to x, we know that is 30 degree. 30 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then y is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. So we are getting the value of y is equal to 150 degree and x equal to 30 degree. And look at that options, x and y respectively it is given. So first value of x 30 degree and second 150 degree. 30 degree, 150 degree, option C is the answer. Question number 14. In the given figure, L parallel to M, then angle ACD is equal to 105 degree. The value of x is. Observe the figure well. Here L and M are parallel lines. L and M are parallel lines. Angle ACD is given. Angle A is given. And angle X we have to find. So that first we can find this interior angle. This angle C, angle ACB. So here we could understood this is a linear pair. So it is 180 minus 105 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. That we can write here 75 degree. We have to find the value of x, and here x is the exterior angle of this triangle ABC, one of the exterior angle. We know that angle x, x is equal to 40 degree plus 75 degree. Here we have used that exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property. That exterior, one of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior, opposite interior angles of the triangle. That only we have applied. Otherwise also we can find 180 minus 40 plus 75. And that is here, this is easy for us. So 40 plus 75 is equal to 115 degrees. So our answer is option B. Question number 15. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3:7. Then the triangle is, we have to find that angles first. Then only we could understand whether it is acute or obtuse or right or isosceles triangle. So that we can find, let 5x, 3x and 7x are the three angles of the triangle. Then we know sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Here we are applying that angle sum property of a triangle. Then add these three, we are getting that 15x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree divided by 15 degree. 15, that is equal to 12. So x equal to 12. Then 5x is equal to 5 into 12 is equal to 60 degree angle. Then second one is 3x. 3 into 12 is equal to 36 degree. And the third one is 7x. 7 into 12 is equal to 84 degree. So these three angles are less than 90 degrees. So definitely it is an acute angle to triangle. 16. In the given figure, the value of x is, look at this figure, the value of x we can find. Here we can see this is a complete angle. So we can add this x plus 10 plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 10 plus 120, 130 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 360 minus 130. That is equal to 230 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 230 divided by 2. That is equal to 115 degree. So, our answer is option C, 115 degree. Question number 17. The measure of angle A in the given figure. Just observe that figure. It is very easy. We could understood this is a linear pair. So, A is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. We are getting that option B, 60. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line Angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equal to. Also this figure, this AOB is a straight line, it is given. So the angles on this straight line only x, y, z and w. So it is very easy to understood. Sum of this angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equal to 180 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. Option B, 180 degree is the answer. In which of the following angles is not the angles of a triangle? And here that some angles are given, we just add that 30, 120, 30, 180 degree. This sum is equal to 180 degree. So it can be. And second one, 10, 70, 100. That is also 180 degree. Angle sum it is okay. And here also we could understood very easily 180 degree only. And this one only the different one, 105, 55 and 30 degree. That is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, option C is the answer. The given figure, measure of angle B is, look at this figure, you can see a triangle ABC here and we have to find that angle B. And this angle we can find by using that linear pair. Here this is linear pair, very clear. 180 minus 110, we are getting 70 degree. Then write that angle here, 70 degree. That interior angle we have got, then we can find this angle B very easily. Angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle, then angle B is equal B plus angle A plus angle C, 50 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal angle B plus 50 plus 70 is 120 degree. Angle B plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. So we have got that answer, option A, 60 degree is